all about Apris, and today we are going to be talking about how to apply a $2 manicure. And this is a quick, affordable, efficient way to keep your nails done if you're going on an event, if you're going to a special occasion. This is something that you can even do in your car on the way to the venue. This is something that you can do at home. And the first thing we're going to do is file our nails. So I'm going to be using this file, and guys, this is a really good file. I actually got it from the nail salon. So I'm just going to go through and file each nail down just to make sure they're nice and clean. I'm not going to file too much because I'm actually going to apply a nail on top, so just a little bit of filing will do. I'm actually growing my nails out, but it's so hard growing my nails out sometimes. It's like they grow and then they break off and then they grow again, so just bear with myself and trying to do the best that I can with the nails that I do have. So I'm finished filing my nails, and I'm just going to make sure I get any residue from the nails, and now it's time for me to buff. And I'm going to use this nail buff that I also got from the nail salon, which is also really good. And I'm just going to buff the surface of my nail, and this is just going to get any surface oil off, and it's just going to help the nail lay a lot smoother, and it should help them last longer by just stripping that nail of any oil that it may have. Now I am going to apply my nails, and this is a Sassy+Chic nail set, and guys, I literally got this from DollarTree. So when I say this is a $2 manicure, I really mean $2 manicure. I mean the nails were $1 and the glue was $1. I mean, if you have your own nail file and things at home, you won't have to purchase those items. But this is the kit that I got from DollarTree, and I'm just going to take it out. And I love this design because I thought it was pretty cute. It's like a little metallic design, and it actually is pretty shiny and super cute. So I'm just going to take each nail out of the package, and I'm going to try to find a nail that fits each of my nails. So guys, this can be complicated, especially if you're going to be using one pack. Maybe if you don't want to go through the trouble of trying to fit the nails, you can maybe buy 2 packs of nails instead of 1. But honestly guys, if I'm doing this is a quick look. I'm going to just get the 1 pack of nails, and I'm going to use the nails that I have and try to make them fit the best that I can. And you guys will see at the end it'll look really nice. So I'm just matching them up based on my nail size, and I'm almost done. Just have to find the nail for my thumb. And I always do this before I start. I don't want to do this while I'm going along because I might use the wrong nail and then I'll have to start over, or I'll have to dead the whole thing. So just make sure you kind of figure out, which nails are going on which fingers before you go ahead and start. So now we can apply our glue, and we can start applying our nails. And guys, literally I got this glue from Walmart, and it was like $3 at Walmart, but they had it at DollarTree for $1. So don't go to Walmart, don't go to Kroger or whatever store you go to and paying extra dollars for glue. You can get this glue from DollarTree, and the Kiss brand is probably going to be a better selection of glue. I know they have like other glues at DollarTree, but if you can find the Kiss brand, that's the one you want to go with. So now I'm just going to apply the nail to each finger. And I'm going to make sure I take a paper towel. And you want to use a paper towel and not a tissue, because a tissue is kind of soft, so the paper towel is going to help get that glue off. And I always just go around the edge of my nail just to make sure any residue glue is gone before I finish my nail. So guys, this is a fairly easy process, and I've already completed 2 of my nails. I like to apply pressure to my nail after I put the glue on, and then I wipe the edges with a paper towel, and then I like to apply pressure again, just because sometimes these nails, they might be a little bit flimsy. This is a $2 manicure video, let's be real, so you know, not the most sturdy nails, so just making sure that we have that extra sturdiness going on with our application. So last finger for this hand. And as you guys see, I just do the same process. I apply the glue, I apply the nail, I press down, I take the paper towel and wipe the edge of the nail, and then I press down again. And for a finger like a thumb, you might need to add a little bit more glue than you would add for any of your other smaller fingers, just to make sure that that nail will stay on. And especially since you do a lot with your thumbs, just making sure those are extra sturdy. The worst thing ever is being out in the public and your nail pops off. It is so embarrassing. So just make sure, if you can, you rather apply more glue than less glue, because you can, again, you can always take your paper towel and you can just wipe off any glue around the edges. And I'm just going in with my other hand and doing the same steps. Making sure all of my nails are on. And guys, I am finished. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the glue up because we are done with that step. And at this point, you can really just leave your nails like this if you like long nails. And if you like this look, you have your completed and finished look, and you can kind of go ahead from here. I like to cut my nails because I like shorter nails. So I'm going to show you guys how I use the nail trimmer to trim my nails down and to shape them and just give them sort of a different look. Personally, I think when I do trim my nails down and I shape them, I get so many compliments on my nails. And I'm like, y'all, I literally got these from DollarTree. Like, I'm not one of those people that say, oh, you know, fake funk, like, if, you know, it's a manicure I got done. I'm like, no, I literally did this myself and I paid $2. So yes, I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna trim each nail, and the shape I'm going for is more of a circular shape. So I'm just going to shape my nail. And as you guys see, I'm kind of doing a circular motion that's going to help give the nail that nice circular shape. What type of shapes do you guys like? I like circular. Sometimes I like square. It just depends. It's very difficult for me to do square. These nails also kind of were already in a coffin-ish, ovalish shape. So I just kind of did it from there. And guys, be careful when you are cutting these nails. They can break and they can tear, so you just want to be very, very, very careful. It's another reason why I like cutting them short, because they last a lot longer. It doesn't give it that extra length so that it can hang on something. Your nail can clip onto something and break off. It just makes it a lot easier to maintain, and it looks so nice and clean and chic. So I'm just going to go in with the other hand, following the same steps, just trimming the nail and putting them into a circular shape. And I just want to make sure that they're about the same length as the other nail. File. And guys, we are almost done with our $2 mani. And I mean, this mani was $2. It was 2 minutes. I mean, it is definitely the way to go if you want something quick and easy. This is your to-go style, your to-go routine. Oh, it looks so nice. I just love how the tips are so shiny and cute. Whenever I get them into the light, it's like a little flicker of dazzle. And guys, we are done. Our nails are super cute, guys. I love these. I love them so much shorter. I just think they look so much cuter than long, but to each his own. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Try out the $2 mani and let me know how it goes. See you next time. Bye.